Namaste, Hamisha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you osmosis in raisins, principles of food preservation lab in food and biotechnology subject or discipline. Now let's start with imbibition. It is a special type of diffusion in which the movement of water takes place due to the difference in water molecule concentration between the adsorbent and the imbibant. For example, the dry plant part or a dry seeds, when placed in the water, it will increases in size or swell. For example, raisins are kept in a water and then they will start swelling. Second is osmosis. When the solution of higher water concentration moves into the solution of lower water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane till the concentration on both the sides of the membrane is equal. This process is called osmosis. Then hypotonic solution. When a cell, that is dry resins, is dropped in water and the cell has a less water concentration than the medium in which it is kept, the water molecules will flow into the cell and it will swell up and even can burst, as in case of animal cells. Such a solution is called hypotonic solution, and this is endosmosis. Isotonic solution, the medium has exactly the water molecule concentration as that of the cell. The water does not move either in or out of the cell. The size of the cell remains the same. Such solution is called isotonic solution. Hypertonic solution, if the medium has lower concentration of water than the cell will lose water by osmosis and become smaller in size. Such a solution is called hypertonic solution. This is exosmosis. Plasmolysis, when a cell loses water through osmosis and contracts, the contraction of the contents of the cells is away from the cell wall. This phenomenon is called plasmolysis. Material required for this experiment is 5 resins, a beaker, filter paper, weighing balance, watch glass, and weight box. Procedure is take a 5 dry resins and weigh it. Place these resins in a beaker containing water. Allow all the resins to swell. Next day, remove all the resins and place them on a filter paper. Gently dry the outer surface of the resins by using filter paper. Weigh the resins which are swollen. Then watch glass with dry resins. Observations are weight of the resins taken is 10 grams. The weight of the swollen resins is 13 grams. Therefore, the weight of water absorbed by the resins is 13 minus 10 equal to 3 grams. Then the percentage of water absorbed by the resins is 30%. Conclusion is the percentage of water imbibed by the raisins is 30%. Precaution is raisins should be with intact stalks, dry and clean. While soaking raisins in water, they should be properly immersed in water. Soaking should be for sufficient time. Before weighing, gently dry the raisins with the help of filter paper. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much.